So from this to this. Stay with us guys and we'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to restore faded or scratched up car paint. Okay, or motorcycle paint, any paint guys. If your paint is fading, if it's scratched up, if it has minor scratches, we'll show you guys what we're going to use. Okay, a single step wax to do that. So stay with us, we'll show you how we're going to restore this almost 15-year-old paint on that BMW and make it look like brand new again. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below, let us know what you think about the results. The wax that we'll be using guys, it's a scratch repair and renew. Okay, this thing is amazing. Okay, it cleans scratches, paint transfer, swirl marks, faded paint in my opinion guys. This is one of the best products on the market. What I usually do, okay, I'm going to apply a thin amount on half of the hood here. Okay, like that. We're going to spread it now. Okay, and you will see how we are going to even that thing out and we won't have any difference between the polished and the non-polished side. Okay, we're just going to apply that to half of the hood usually, or maybe, you know, if it's cold, if it's smaller hood, do one hood at a time, one fender, one door, but don't do too much because it can dry guys. Now, I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, we need to get a buffer, okay, right here. And the buffer, we're going to go at about 1900 RPMs on that buffer with a buffing pad. Okay, it's important guys not to stay too long in one spot because you can melt your paint. So, what we'll be doing next guys, let us show you now. Okay, microfiber towel and we're going to clean the whole hood. Okay, make sure that we remove that wax. And I think guys, the results will be pretty much amazing guys. Okay, that thing is unbelievable shine. Okay, unbelievably clear paint. Okay, you can remember, okay, remember the difference what we started with? Okay, now there is absolutely like no difference between the two halves that we did. So, definitely guys, if you have faded paint, scratched up paint and you want to polish yours, okay, that's the way to go. Check this thing out, it looks amazing. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that problem. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.